Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of 3D geometry and learn how to model the Triakis Octahedron using Fusion 360. So, if you're excited about diving into some captivating geometry, then let's get started. We will sketch in 3D and use surface commands to create this body. Before we begin the modeling process, let's take a moment to understand the Triakis Octahedron. The Triakis Octahedron is a fascinating geometric shape consisting of both triangles and squares. It is derived from an octahedron by adding pyramids to each of its faces. An octahedron has by definition 8 faces. Each pyramid has 3, so that adds up to 24 faces. Okay, so here I am in an empty file. I'll start the first sketch on the top plane with the center point rectangle from the origin. Apply an equal constraint between two sides and give it any dimension. I'll take 88. And then in the sketch palette, I get this box here, 3D sketch checked. So let's view that in space. I can right away continue sketching. From that center point, I'll go up here and connect that to that corner. Do that one more time here. I'll just make this here construction geometry and apply an equal constraint between these sides here. Do that one more time. Right, so we got an equilateral triangle here. The next step will be that we will define a sketch plane with 3 vertices. So I get a plane through 3 points. Take that one, this one, and that one. And start one more sketch there. I will draw a circle first over here, and then apply tangent relationships between the circle and the edges. Again, we will sketch in 3D. So I can make that here construction geometry. That was just to find this center here. And now I will draw one line here. I press X to make that a construction line. To this point, I will draw one more line starting from this center, going up and connecting to one vertex and one more over here. Make that normal line and that one as well. All right, so that's it for sketching in this model. And now we will apply a surface patch with these edges here. Okay. I'll keep our sketches visible and make a circular pattern of that object around that axis 3 times. Okay. Now I will make another circular pattern of these three bodies. I can select them here around that axis, this time 4 times. All right. We can hide the plane. We can hide our sketches, and then we will just mirror everything over that plane, maybe as new bodies. Okay. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully modeled the Triakis Octahedron using Fusion 360. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting 3D modeling tutorials. Thanks for watching.